Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you something really cool, the Snowfall weather event and what you can do during it and grow a Garden2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. And grow a Garden2 Snowfall weather is a special event or a special weather where the entire map turns snowy. You will see falling snow, icy ground effect, and winter style atmosphere everywhere. And during the snowfall, a few things change in the game. And as you can see guys, that the ground is covered by snow. And during this event, you will have chance to get the frozen mutation. And the frozen mutation looks really cool. And of course, the frozen mutation can make your fruit have higher value. And I'm going to show you how the frozen mutation looks like guys. I'm going to pick one of my plants with the frozen mutation. Alright, this is my frozen tomato. Wow, it's beautiful. It's covered by snow or ice. Okay guys, and that's all about the snowfall weather and grow a Garden2, which can give us the frozen mutation. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.